how to log into DraftKings and verify your location. To log into DraftKings and verify your location, ensure you are physically within the state where its services are legal, as a platform uses real-time geographic data to comply with regulations. So you could visit the DraftKings website or install the app as well. I prefer using the web version, so I'm just going to use the browser. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same as for the app as well as for the website. So type in DraftKings. So there you go, the first link that pops up, select it. So, and unfortunately you could see this is not available in my country, so I'm just gonna go ahead and instruct. So what next you need to do is, from this on forward, you just want to tap on a login and enter your registered email, username and a password in order to log in. And if prompted during the very first login or after a long absence, you might need to provide your full legal name, date of birth and the last 4 digits of your social security number to verify your identity as well. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and on your mobile device, simply want to make sure to go ahead and open up settings on your device. Then you want to make sure to go ahead and enable or go to location section and make sure to toggle on the location. Then under app permission, you could select DraftKings. So you have see all apps and just go ahead and locate DraftKings and make sure the permission is enabled. And this is going to help you use your precise location, and that's how things work. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.